that allowed me to film these nice elevators built by Mazzarda. It's a new brand for me. Sono passato ad ascensori.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel. I have 600 subscribers.
Ah, okay.
Almost 600.
It's good.
Yeah. I have 3 years of activity. This is an AD for my channel. Hello. And now let's write it. 12, 1, 7, 2, 13, 5, 4, 0, 1, 17. Okay. Here's the pass that the employer uses. And now let's go up. It's MRI traction elevator, I think. Test DMG FIXTURES. Okay. 6-4. Someone called it. Ok, sento. Prego.
Vuoi andare ancora 11°?
No, stia tranquillo.
C'è un altro più grande.
A bigger one?
Yeah.
Ok. Go.
Wanna see it?
Go with employer. Ah, the duplex.
Yeah.
The other duplex. The right elevator is up. It's going on. You get this off. And it has DMG BS Sherman. And it has also music. This is so nice. Let's write it. OV9924011 13 pairs of 1000 kilograms, built in 2013. Let's write it. Nice Porsche hotel.
Piano 0.
That's it. Huge thanks to the employers that allowed me to film these elevators. This is the freight one, another freight one here, and now that's it.